You know those gadgets you never realized you needed until you try them and suddenly can't imagine life without them? The Bebird EarSight Plus is exactly one of those. This tiny device connects to your phone, shows you a live HD view inside your ear, and removes wax with camera-guided tweezers. Now, let's be honest, ear problems are way more common than we admit. The earbud epidemic is real. With everyone constantly plugged, earbuds trap heat and moisture, leading to stubborn wax buildup that blocks sound and causes irritation. Then there's the swimmer's dilemma, that annoying plugged sensation when water gets trapped in your ear after a swim or shower. It feels strange, and if left unchecked, it can lead to infections. And for some, oily ear concerns are another struggle. Extra ear oil can cause odor and discomfort, making people feel self-conscious during close conversations. It is the world's first over-the-counter camera ear cleaner. Simply put, it's a small, flexible tool that connects to your smartphone and lets you see what's going on inside your ear in real time. The moment you open the box, you'll notice how sleek and premium it looks. Everything comes in an elegant storage case, keeping all the parts neat and hygienic. It feels less like a medical tool and more like a high-end personal care gadget that is compact, organized, and smartly designed. First, there's the flexible, bendable lens tube, a soft silicone-coated tube that follows the natural curve of your ear canal. It's comfortable and safe for both adults and children. That flexibility means no painful pokes or awkward angles. Then there's the HD Otoscope camera. This tiny lens delivers crystal clear real-time visuals directly to your smartphone. You can see exactly what's happening inside your ear with zero lag. It's like a live mini health check. And here's where it gets interesting. The visible, detachable tweezers. These precision tweezers let you gently grab and remove earwax with total control. Instead of blindly scraping around, you can see what you're doing every step of the way. At first, that gentle sensation of the tool inside your ear might feel a little unusual, but after a few seconds, you'll realize how controlled and smooth it is. The camera itself is a 3P precision lens, paired with a flexible silicone tube, giving sharp, accurate visuals without delay. And surprisingly, it is a multifunctional visual inspection tool. The built-in light and camera can be used for checking your nose, throat, scalp, or teeth. One of the most reassuring things is that it connects to your phone through Wi-Fi, but not the internet, meaning your data stays private. You're just pairing your phone directly with the device. Users who've tried the Bebird often describe it as weirdly addictive. Once you see that real-time video feed of wax coming out, you understand the hype. It's oddly satisfying, like watching a before and after video of your own ear. Similarly, parents especially love how it turns something kids usually hate into something fun. When children can actually see what's happening, they become curious instead of scared. Many users also mention saving time and money. I mean, instead of rushing to the clinic for minor issues, you can take a picture or record a short clip of your ear canal and share it with your doctor first. It's a small tool, but it gives you a big sense of control over your own health. It is very practical. Everything fits neatly into the compact storage case, making it easy to carry when you travel. It's quick to charge, simple to assemble, and the flexible materials feel premium. You can use it once a week or whenever your ears feel blocked, and it's ready to go in seconds. Because it's built with strong medical-grade materials, it's not something that wears out after a few uses. Its thoughtful design, safe materials, and that same attention to detail Bebird is known for ensure that it is built to last. So, is the Bebird EarSight Plus worth it? It's one of those smart gadgets that brings real value to your home. It's safe, effective, and family-friendly. Whether you're a parent, someone with sensitive ears, or just someone who wants to take better care of themselves, this is a device that fits effortlessly into your routine. It doesn't replace doctors, but it gives you awareness and control. You can spot irritation, check for buildup, and even share what you see with your doctor if needed. And here's the best part. You can get 20% off right now when you order directly from our website. Just hit the link in the description and you'll get the discount.